to be doing the 3 colors of glue challenge. Oh, come on.
So did you tell everybody how it works?
How it works, I need it itchy. How it works is you have to be blindfolded picking 3 colors of glue. And that's what you use to make your slime. And we have the Mr. Throw Up Face.
Mr. Yucky Face. This is our borax and water solution.
I call it the Throw Up Face.
So we're gonna do 2 rounds and you guys are going to decide who the winner is. Which, I make beautiful slime, so.
Okay, so I'll get started.
Oh no, we should do rock. Okay, let's do rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to pick first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah, okay, close your eyes.
Are you gonna spin them around and mix them up?
Come on, close your eyes. Okay. You can.
Are you gonna cover?
You can pick.
1,
Dang it!
2. I got a color Carlie likes. 3.
You got this one that I wanted.
Ooh, so I think it's gonna look brown actually. So I got this. What color is this?
This is like a coral.
Oh yeah, this is I have a coral. I have like a
Weird green.
light green yellow, and then I have glitter pink.
Okay. Okay. Oh, yay! So I'm gonna have glow in the dark, some washable clear glue, and red. So mine's gonna be a glow in the dark light red slime. Yours is gonna be brown. That's good. Well, that's all gone. Well, these weren't very good colors.
Yours is gonna be interesting.
Ooh, it's a lighter red. Okay, I'm gonna add my borax.
Go like this.
Oh, stop! Mine's gonna be overactivated.
No, it won't. Mm-mm.
It went in my mouth. Okay, I think it's ready to go on the table. Here's my slime so far. It's like a coral reef or something.
All right, so there's Carlie's slime for
I'm gonna
round
keep on
1.
working on it, okay? To make it better, so I can win. Now it's my mom's turn. Ooh. Well, that's a nice coral pink.
Not coral.
Like maybe a magenta pink.
It's like cotton candy pink.
So now that's the coral that I wanted. Oh, it looks so pretty. Ew, I don't think that's gonna make your slime any better.
I don't think this is gonna be a very pretty color.
Oh no.
Oh, maybe. The coral is kind of taken over. I thought it was gonna kind of look like.
Hopefully my fans vote for me.
Hopefully you vote for me. Hashtag Team Mom.
Hashtag Team Carlie. Come on guys, vote for me please. I never win.
All right, in goes the borax.
Woo. Oh, that's okay. Do you know sometimes borax makes your slime like really hard and thick? So that's the coral. Ooh, you almost said.
So that's my slime.
Versus this pink cotton candy.
Here's my slime.
Wait, are you done?
I don't know.
Wait, stretch it in front of the Carlie can. It's a hard to stretch.
Kind of.
The coral ill. I like that color better. But guys, tell us in the comments down below who won round 1. Okay, I'm gonna show my slime up too. I need to grab it.
Bouncy ball test.
Oh, mine's gonna get.
Mine is so rubbery and stiff now.
I know.
I bet I could bounce it.
Who's gonna go? My turn. Do you see how bouncy mine is?
Yeah.
Guys, time for round 2. I just like this slime.
Alright.
Okay, I'm gonna
Close
go.
your eyes. No cheaties.
I'm not looking, okay? I promise. I don't want to cheat.
Let me see.
This one. This one, yeah. Yes!
That means I get purple and green.
He beat me.
So let's just, do you want to make ours at the same time?
Yeah, let's make it.
Okay.
So I was like hoping to get blue. Ooh.
It doesn't come out very good.
Mine is. Look how pretty this blue is.
I love this purple color.
I love. Wait, I didn't see. Beat this, Mom. Look how pretty this one is.
Yeah, I don't know how mine is. This is the 2 colors because I thought we had enough glue, but we don't.
It's out
For
already.
3.
Okay, I need a stir. I wanted blue. So I can make like a cotton candy. I got a purple.
You got a purple color? Let's see what I'm gonna get.
You're gonna get a green.
I'm gonna get green.
Your favorite color? Well, no.
These Elmer glue colors are dominating.
No, I'm really like. Look at how weird.
That's what mine was too.
Look how weird mine is. Yours is
Keep
better.
your paws to yourself.
I
I'm
want my-
manhandling my slime. Ooh.
It's really sticky, so I'm gonna just dip it. Okay, guys, round 2. Who won this one?
You want to mix them all together in a bowl?
Now, can we mix like our 2? So now we're gonna mix our 2 slimes together. So I need to stretch.
See what
This
we
one's
get.
really stretchy now.
Ugh, I don't even know if this is gonna mix. Might make a better slime because one's really sticky and one's really stiff. Oh, look at you. Aren't you so fancy? Oh, this won't mix.
Look at mine.
Ooh. Look at mine.
Instagram.
Very beautiful. It looks like unicorn poop. Want to see my Instagram swirl?
One was really like.
Okay, here's my Instagram swirl. It's beautiful Christmas tree. Beautiful Christmas tree slime.
That was the. Wait, you have a you do the ending for now.
Okay guys, so that was the 3 colors of glue slime challenge, mom versus daughter. Tell us in the comments below who you think won. Guys, we hope you love this video so much. If you did, smash that like button, hit the bell, and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye.
Love you all.